From 7 they go by is a 12-inch indoor Sconce LED. Let's open it up and show you what you get inside. Check online for further details about the colors, makes, and models the company 12 watts, 4,000 Kelvin, a CR85 with the hardware and bolts, the instruction guides and all. You have a bracket and Phillips screwdrivers on the sides. We're going to go hang this up and show you what it looks like. You got a hallway, a staircase, a wall. A Phillips screwdriver is required to take the small bolts on each of the sides out. Simply remove, hang the bracket up this Hanging way. In a location as simple as putting into the junction box and level. Lock in your load and neutrals and place in your leads and your line. With your wall switch, simply turn on and your light. 4,000 Kelvin. 12-watt system, 5 by 5 by 12 inches by 2 inches in depth. It is solid and closed, made of plastic and metal. Comes in 3 colors. Do check online for further details. Hallways, staircases, walls, and more. To light up the area, they give additional accent to the room or rooms. It is an indoor-only sconce that could be hung up anywhere. Tiles, and more. Place it in the bathroom, a hallway, a kitchen, a dining room, a foyer, by the staircase, by the doorway, and more. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for.